What is Apple? After all, Apple is about people who think outside the box, people who want to use computers to help them change the world, to help them create things that make difference, and not just to get a job done. Our DNA is as a consumer company. For that individual customer who's voting thumbs up or thumbs down, that's who we think about. And we think that our job is to take responsibility for the complete user experience. And if it's not up to par, it's our fault, plain and simply. In most people's vocabularies, design means veneer. It's interior decorating. It's the fabric of the curtains and the sofa. But to me, nothing could be further from the meaning of design. I've always wanted to own and control the primary technology in everything we do. And no, we don't know where it will lead. We just know there's something much bigger than any of us here. We've demonstrated a strong track record of being very disciplined with the use of our cash. We don't let it burn a hole in our pocket. We don't allow it to motivate us to do stupid acquisitions. And so I think that we'd like to continue to keep our powder dry, because we do feel that there are one or more strategic opportunities in the future. No, we are selling over 5 million songs a day now. Isn't that unbelievable? That's 58 songs every second of every minute of every hour of every day. Part of what made the Macintosh great was the people working on it were musicians, poets, and artists, and zoologists and historians. They also happen to be the best computer scientists in the world. But if it had not been a computer science, these people would have been doing amazing things in other fields. Apple took the edge off the word computer. Most people have no concept of how an automatic transmission works, yet they know how to drive a car. You don't have to study physics to understand the laws of motion to drive a car. You don't have to understand any of this stuff to use Macintosh. I'm very excited about having the internet in my den. You'll see more and more perfection of that, computer as servant. But the next thing is going to be computer as a guide or agent. So when these people sell out, even though they get fabulously rich, they're keeping themselves out of one of the potentially most rewarding experiences of their unfolding lives. Without it, they may never know their values or how to keep their newfound wealth in perspective. Well, Apple invented the PC as we know it, and then it invented the graphical user interface as we know it 8 years later with the introduction of the Mac. But then, the company had a decade in which it took a nap. Pretty much, Apple and Dell are the only ones in this industry making money. They make it by being Walmart. We make it by innovation.